These are the actual molds they made. These is where my mouth is messed up. You can see. You look at my mouth. It's obviously my mouth. It's where the tooth came out the other day, the rest of the way. But they still fit on perfect. I can do these with one hand. That's the nice part. Usually I do. If I'm at work, I'll grab these. There's just the bottoms. Even if I just wore just the bottoms, you can already see how much better I look. But here's the bottoms, and now I mean the tops. And so, yeah, my wife says she really likes them. She likes the way I look better with them. And it's a big improvement for me. I've gained a lot of confidence now. I don't mind smiling again. Just talking to people, just everything just seems different. I've had a lot of compliments from family and friends. Like I said, these fit very well. And the nice thing is that when I drink, because I like to drink cold water at work and diet soda and stuff like that, it doesn't affect my teeth. I can eat ice cream, and the ice cream doesn't. I don't get the pain that you get when you eat ice cream. I don't get that anymore. So that's kind of nice. Some foods you can still eat with the men, I found, when you get used to them. Some you can't. So with the glasses off, you can see these are made very well. Like I said, I got the same smile basically as I had before, so it's not that big of a difference. My look, except for the teeth. They're not yellow. They're the same teeth I basically had, just everything's like new. And they don't hit your gums. My gums have not been sore from wearing these. Like I said, I'm pretty happy with these things. Problem is, I did order some of those $10 ones that you can get, and the cheap ones I bought at stores before, and they don't fit your teeth. You can't even get your teeth in them. You can't bite down and put your teeth in them. They're a joke. Don't waste your money on them. They won't work. These, like I said, are designed from a mold of your own teeth. And it's nice that they send that mold back to you so you can see. Yep, those are my. As soon as I seen them, I was like, "Yo, yeah, that's my mouth. These are my teeth." It's pretty cool. That's what my teeth looked like before. They're just pretty messed up. And this is what it looks like now. Thanks, Pop on Veneers.